Let's learn how to use the JuniorIT coding platform. You should have received an assignment link through Discord, your email ID, or our upcoming JuniorIT mobile application. In your Discord account, check the message from JuniorIT Discord bot. The message contains the link to start your session. Simply click on the link, a new browser tab will open. The coding assignment you will receive will have control buttons such as continue. Once you click on the continue, you can proceed further. The assignment also displays an approximate completion time. Each session is expected to take around 45 minutes to complete for a person with zero coding experience. In the assignment, you will encounter various types of interactive exercises similar to this one, where you can translate natural language into code such as C++. You just have to click on the language of your choice, translate to, and then click on Ask Now. Here I am going to choose C++ and then click on Ask Now. And AI will generate the code for you. You can also run the code to see the output. If you want to comprehend the logic or syntax of the code, just directly click on the hand icon and then ask AI, and AI will explain the code for you. If you again click on the hand icon, the interactive box will disappear. You can also request AI to add comments to the code, providing a better understanding of each line. Just click on the pencil icon, scroll down and click on Ask AI. And AI will generate the code with comments. In the assignment, you will encounter some questions. After learning some knowledge, it's time to test your understanding. For each question, there is only one correct answer. Only once you pass the test, you can proceed further. So just click the right answer and then submit. In JuniorIT, we acquire knowledge through AI. To learn using AI, you need to practice with prompts. We will guide you on how to generate concise and clear prompts. For now, you can click on the hand icon next to the prompt and then click on Ask Now. AI will generate a response for you, allowing you to learn more using AI. In the assignment, you will also find an AI assistant section where you can ask anything from AI. We have already generated the prompt for you. You just need to click on Ask Now to receive the response from AI. You can again click on the Run button. Alternatively, you can change the language like Java and then click on Ask AI. Now to launch your JuniorIT development container, just click on the Start button in the assignment, and in about 120 seconds your environment will be ready to launch. Just click on the Launch button and wait for a while. On the right hand side, you will find your assignment in a resizable window that you can control the size of. On the left side, there is VS Code data ready to use. It's worth noting that almost all the developers uses VS Code every day. In the welcome message, you can choose the theme of your choice. Then click on the cross button to close it. On the top left corner, you will find the menu toggle button where you can access various options like file, edit, selection, etc. For this session, the most important option is the terminal option. Just come to the terminal and then select new terminal. You will also find many shortcut buttons that you can learn to access those options. On the left sidebar, you will find the JuniorIT VS Code plugin. Just click on the JuniorIT.ai Assistant VS Code plugin. Here you will find three sections. One is the translate feature, where you can use this feature to translate any language including natural language to other coding languages. Other one is the code section. This is where you can directly test your code. And the third one is the assistant section. Here you can perform coding related tasks such as writing code, explaining code or fixing bugs. To use your JuniorIT development environment, you can employ shell commands. that need to be written in this terminal window. To simplify the process, three clickable icons are provided next to each shell commands. Let's resize the assignment window to see the shell commands. Just next to the shell commands, there are three clickable icons. Clicking on the middle icon enables you to execute the command directly in the terminal. Just click on the middle icon and it will execute the command directly in the terminal, even if the terminal is closed. The first icons just copies the command to the terminal, but you have to manually click on the terminal and hit enter to execute the command. Now the last icon just copies the command to the clipboard. To execute, click on the terminal window and paste the command and hit enter. As a complete beginner, we suggest starting with the middle icon. After gaining familiarity, you can progress to the first icon and manually hit enter. Once comfortable, consider using the third icon. Just copy the command to the clipboard and manually paste it. Now let's execute the last command. And after executing all the commands, just click on the continue button. If you fail to execute even one command, you won't be able to proceed. In the assignment, you will find the source code that you need to use. Again, you can click on the hand icon to understand it using AI, or just click on the pencil icon to add some comments. Within this assignment, there are some special kinds of JuniorIT commands such as Jcode and JCScript. To open a file, you can use the Jcode command as shown and the file will be open. Now you can directly copy the code by clicking on this icon and then paste the code here. And to run the code directly, you can use the JCScript command, which will run the code directly in your terminal. If you want to understand the source code, just select all the code, right click and then click on JuniorIT.ai assistant and then click on ask now. AI will generate the response for you to explain the code snippet that you provided. Let's check out your project. To check out your project, you need to use the JuniorIT get command. Just execute the command in terminal. Please make sure to select the correct number for the assignment. Here I want to use CPP session 1 assignment, so I am going to write 1 and hit enter. The command will clone the starter project for you. To test your starter project, you need to execute some shell commands. First, come to the CPP session 1 folder using the shell commands. Then use the command make clean to clean up any previous build folder. Then to compile a large project, we use the make command. Just execute the make command. It will take some time to build the project folder for you. Now to run your starter project, just use make run command. You can also copy to clipboard and then paste the command and hit enter. And just click on open in browser. This command basically just create a development server for you. And here is your starter game project. Or alternatively, you can again come to the development container, then resize the window of the assignment, and here you will find the port tab, and in the port tab in the forward addresses there is one open in browser option. You can also click on it to open your development server and to see your starter game project. Now if you want to close your development server, again click on the terminal, then use Ctrl+C to exit it. or to close the development server. On the left sidebar, you have this Explorer icon. Just click on it, and in the workspace, you will find your starter game project. In your project, you have a lot of files. So to open a particular file, it may become difficult for a beginner. But to open the file, you can use the anchor icon in the assignment, and it will open the respective file for you. For example, if you want to open the file main.cpp, just click on the icon and the file will be open in the Explorer. You can also resize the terminal window. This anchor element is also used to highlight the coding syntax and to locate a particular line in the code. For example, if you want to locate the multi-line comments, just click on the icon again and it will highlight the coding syntax for you. During any task completion, you can take the help of AI. Just select all the code, right click and then JuniorIT AI Assistant. And here you can just change the text. Then click on Ask Now. Then just copy the code and paste in the file. Now let's learn how to submit and deploy the project. Now to deploy the project, first make sure you are in CPP session 1 folder. So I'm going to copy the command here and paste it here. Yes, I am in CPP session 1 folder. Then use make deploy command to deploy your project. And by using this command, you will find one shareable link that you can use to share this project to your friends. Just click on open and it will open the shareable link, and you can share this link among your friends. Now to submit your project, just use make submit command. Just write make and then submit. Hit enter and you will get a success message that will tell you that you will get your result by Discord message in 1 or 2 days.